In this video, I'll show you how to deploy a bolt.new app to Vercel. First, open your web browser and go to the bolt.new website. Sign into your account and open the project you want to deploy. Next, make sure your application is working correctly. Test the main features, confirm that your environment variables are configured, and save your latest changes. Now, connect your project to GitHub if you haven't already. Push your latest code to a GitHub repository so Vercel can access your project. After that, open the Vercel website and sign in with your GitHub account. Click Add New, then select Project. Find your repository in the list and click Import. Next, review the project settings. Vercel will usually detect your framework automatically. Add any required environment variables, confirm the build settings, and click Deploy. Wait a few moments while Vercel installs the dependencies, builds your application, and deploys it. Once the deployment is complete, Vercel will generate a live URL for your app. Finally, open the live URL in your browser and test your application. If you make changes later, simply push a new commit to GitHub, and Vercel will automatically deploy the updated version. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to deploy a bolt.new app to Vercel. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.